In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in WordPress, a useful skill whether you're crafting a blog post, formulating a business website, or refining your brand identity. WordPress provides several customization options to adjust the appearance of your text, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your desired aesthetic and readability standards. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, navigate to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for customizing your site's overall look and feel. Once there, you'll want to click on the Editor option. This tool allows you to delve into deeper customization levels beyond the basic layout settings, offering a broader selection of appearance adjustments. Now, focus on identifying the specific block of text for which you want to adjust the font size. To do this, simply click on the three dots or options menu associated with that particular text block. This will provide you with various options to modify the text settings. Next, look for the Styles option. Clicking here will open a range of formatting choices tailored to the selected block of text. The Styles menu serves as a gateway to more specific adjustments that can significantly impact how your content is presented on your site. Following this, select Typography. Typography encompasses all aspects of text appearance, giving you control over more than just font size. However, in this scenario, your primary focus will be on adjusting the font size itself. Then, click on the text option within the typography settings. Here, you'll gain access to various text-related options including font weights, decorations, and more. Look for the settings allowing you to adjust the font size directly. In the font size menu, you'll see various preset options like S for small, M for medium, L for large, and XL for extra large. Choose the size that best suits your content's needs, keeping in mind your audience's reading preferences and your site's overall design consistency. To explore additional appearance customization options, click on the Appearance button. Here, you can fine-tune various aspects of your font's visual presentation, allowing you to create a cohesive and aesthetically appealing design. For further specific adjustments, such as the space between lines or characters, click on line height and letter spacing respectively. These settings can enhance readability and provide a balanced look, making your content visually pleasing and easy to follow. If you wish to explore even more options, click on the three dots menu for additional customization tools. This can give you deeper control over various design elements, ensuring the final presentation meets your standards. Finally, if at any point you're not satisfied with the adjustments or wish to start over, you have the option to reset all your changes. By doing so, you can return everything to its default state and experiment with different settings afresh. Feel free to explore these settings to find the perfect combination that best represents your website's branding and enhances user experience. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video with more WordPress tips and tricks.